In this video you will know step by step how the sweet potato leaf has such important properties for the proper functioning of our body, including several benefits such as increased immunity, reduced cholesterol, treats inflammation, prevents menstrual cramps and improves brain health among other improvements. Here are some recipes for sweet potato leaves that you can use in your daily life and take advantage of this leaf that is so present in our daily lives. Welcome to the Plant the Cure channel, and to help empower us, please subscribe to the channel, like it, and share this knowledge with those who need it. Let's go. Very tasty and rich in nutrients, sweet potato leaves have surprised us with their flavor and health benefits. This is one more way to make the most of vegetables, especially if you have a vase with a sweet potato sprouting in the water at home. Besides decorating with its beautiful leaves, they can be an ingredient in omelets, stews, pie fillings, esfiha, pastries, soups, and broths, color bread dough, gnocchi, cookies, pancakes, be put in detox juices, and many other recipes, enriching them with nutrients. According to a study by the University of Louisiana, in the United States, the leaves are rich in vitamins A, C, K, and minerals such as calcium. However, they cannot be eaten raw, because they present toxicity, but when cooked, the heat eliminates the toxic compounds. Among the various benefits that we will list here, one of them draws attention, which is the reduction of cholesterol. According to a Cameroonian study from the University of Ngoundra, sweet potato leaves contain hypolipidemic and antiatherosclerogenic properties. The experiment was performed on male Wista rats, and the animals were fed for 4 weeks a standard diet enriched with cholesterol, 1%. The animals were then treated with batatas extract and atorvastatin once a day for a further 4 weeks. The doses used were as follows. Batatas extract, 400, 500 and 600 mg per kilogram. Atorvastatin, 2 mg per kilogram. After treatment, the animals were observed for another 4 weeks, then sacrificed and the aortas were removed for histopathological studies. It was then found that the rats fed potato extract had no increase in aortic and atherosclerotic plaque thickness and reduced glucose and blood lipid levels. In addition, the sweet potato leaf has many more benefits, as we will discuss below. Boosts immunity. Because it is rich in vitamin C, the sweet potato leaf has an anti-inflammatory action and thus strengthens the immune system. Thus, it keeps the body more resistant to diseases, infections, and inflammations. In addition, it has antioxidant action that acts to combat free radicals that cause oxidative stress in cells. Improves heart health. Vitamin K helps control blood pressure, prevents inflammation, and calcification of the arteries. Therefore, it helps prevent a heart attack, for example, and other diseases that affect the heart. Improves metabolism. Maintaining a healthy metabolism is fundamental, because it is the metabolism that makes the biochemical transformations in the body. For this, it is essential to consume vitamin B12, known as riboflavin, which in turn is present in abundance in sweet potato leaves. Promotes bone health. Sweet potato leaves contain a good amount of vitamin K and calcium, 2 essential nutrients for bone health. Thus, it strengthens bones, preventing their weakening and problems such as osteoporosis. Treats inflammation in the throat. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, sweet potato leaf also helps in treating throat and mouth inflammation. Gargling and rinsing with the tea is necessary to de-inflammate the areas. Prevents menstrual cramps. Vitamin K helps regulate hormonal function, reducing menstrual cramps and pain. In addition, it aids in blood clotting, thus preventing excessive bleeding during menstruation. Improves brain health. Vitamin K is an important nutrient that helps in the metabolism of sphingolipids, which contribute to the structural formation of the brain. In addition, this vitamin has an anti-inflammatory action, preventing oxidative stress in the brain caused by free radicals. Thus, it prevents the development of degenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Improves eyesight. As already described, sweet potato leaves contain vitamins A and C, nutrients that help prevent macular degeneration, a disease that causes blindness. Now let's talk about some sweet potato leaf recipes. Sweet potato leaf tea. So far, sweet potato leaf tea has no contraindication, so it can be consumed for the prevention of various health problems. Ingredients. 1 cup water. 1 cup chopped sweet potato leaves. Directions. Place the water in a pot, or milk jug, and wait for it to boil. Turn off the heat, add the chopped sweet potato leaves, cover and leave to infuse for 10 minutes. Strain and drink. It is recommended to consume 2 cups a day, always 1 hour before lunch and dinner. Sweet potato leaf stew. Ingredients. 2 cups of washed sweet potato leaves. 2 cloves of sliced garlic. 1 dash of olive oil. 1 pinch of salt. 1 tablespoon grated Parmesan or low-fat cheese. Directions. Wash and finely chop the sweet potato leaves and set aside. Brown the crushed garlic cloves in olive oil, add the chopped leaves, sprinkle the salt, mix them quickly and turn off the heat. Sprinkle the grated cheese and serve hot. This stew can be used in omelets by putting in the beaten egg with onion, tomato, or other ingredients you prefer and then cook and brown in a frying pan with butter or vegetable oil. Sweet potato leaf juice. Ingredients. 1 apple with peel, chopped and seeded. 4 cooked sweet potato leaves. 1 piece of sweet potato. 1 cucumber. 3 sprigs of mint. 1 small piece of ginger. Preparation. In a blender, blend the apple and the cucumber until they form a juice. Then, strain this mixture and put it to beat again, now with the remaining ingredients and half a glass of water. When you're done, strain it again and serve with ice cubes. I hope you enjoyed the content of this video and that it can help you in some way. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave your like, and share with anyone you like. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.